Hey everybody, it's Jimmy from the DIY and Digital, and I've got a quick preview of what's coming up this week and next week on my channel, plus a quick tip for you guys. This week on my channel, we're taking a look at my version of a DIY Sculptamold alternative. Now, I absolutely love Sculptamold, but it can get a little expensive, especially when you're using a whole lot of it. So this is my DIY alternative to that. And next week, we're going to be talking all about Kado Unitrack. And I know a lot of you use this. I'm going to explain why I love Kado Unitrack and why I love using Kado Unitrack. And we're also going to be going through a little bit of the installation process on my layout. So that's what's coming up this week and next week. Now, on to my quick tip. My quick tip this week is all about where to find good deals. My personal favorite place to find good deals are trade shows, and there are quite a lot out there. You just gotta kind of figure out where they are. My next favorite spot is really to go looking around online. Specifically, eBay is a really great spot to find what you need. I've found tons and tons of great stuff on eBay. And my third spot is really those dedicated model railroading sales websites. I get some deals off places like Amazon, but you're really gonna find better deals at dedicated model railroad websites. And that's my quick tip. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any updates and quick tips like this video. Until next time, I'm Jimmy from the DIY and Digital. Happy railroading!